Moving on to the steering wheel, we have lots of options here. This is a limited 19 Highlander, so we do have all the options here. Starting out with the lane assist. This controls your vehicle, so if you're swerving in and out of lanes, it'll tell you to straighten out or to use your blinker if you're going to switch lanes. It will beep at you if you cross over the line. It's nice. It's a nice safety feature, so if you are swerving around, it will tell you to pull over and take a rest. Right here we have adaptive cruise control. I use this everywhere I go. If I'm going to Portland or Seattle, I turn this on every single time. It hooks up with your cruise control, so if someone is in front of you and they slow down, your vehicle will automatically slow down on its own. You don't have to touch your brake or gas, and this button allows you to choose the distance in between the vehicle that you would like. So you can do a shorter distance or you can do a further distance away. Like I said, I use this going to Portland and Seattle. I barely use the gas or the brake all the way up there. I set my distance, set my cruise, and it'll finally turn off once I hit about 25 to 30 miles an hour, and then that's when I take over. Right here we have all your center console or your center controls there. Bunch of different settings. You can keep your home screen on. This is your all-wheel drive power, so if I started going, it would show that I'm using most of my power in my rear and a little bit up front. It'll show all your range till empty, your current gas mileage. This is wrong. We get about 25 to 30 miles to the gallon in these things. This is your warning until rest. So these vehicles actually, they time your drives. So if you've been driving for a while, this warning light may come up and say you need to pull over and get a cup of coffee. This is called the sway warning. So if you're swaying around while you're driving, this vehicle will let you know, hey, you need a cup of coffee or you need to pull over and wake up, which is very nice. On this side of the steering wheel, we have the phone controls. Everything's hand-free and Bluetooth in this vehicle, so it is very nice. If I need to call somebody, all I have to do is press this button and say, call who's ever in your phone book. So if I wanted to call my mom, I would say, press this button, I would say, call mom. It'll respond back to you and it'll say, calling mom. You can control your volume right here. If you want to end the phone call, all you have to do is press the decline button here, or the hang up button. And also if you want to pick up a phone call, you can press the green button there and it'll answer the phone for you.